Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Clarity for sure once again, and today we'll cover a very important news from our DCA, that is daily current affairs, which is very important as far as your RBI grade B examination is concerned, right? So in upcoming sessions also we'll try to cover some of the important news which are relevant and significant for your upcoming RBI grade B examination, right? And for today the topic here is RBI has recently revised norms for claim settlement of deceased bank customers, right? Deceased bank customers. Who are deceased bank customers? So the customers who have maintained an accounts or locker in the bank and have passed away, right? Which means the customer is no more. So RBI has revised some of the norms as far as the claim settlement of deceased bank customers are concerned, right? So this particular topic is very important for your RBI grade B examination, because what changes has been done by the RBI is a must know thing, right? So first we'll try to understand what changes has been made by the RBI as far as the claim settlement of deceased bank customers are concerned, and then we'll try to cover some of the multiple choice questions from this particular topic in order to have better understanding of the things, and which will also give you a brief idea about which type of question could be asked in your RBI grade B examination related to this particular topic, right? So let's see what changes has been done first, and then we'll cover some of the MCQs related to this particular topic. Clear? So the RBI has issued the settlement of claims in respect of deceased customers of Bank Direction 2025 to standardized and streamlined procedure for settling claims on deceased customers' bank accounts and safe deposit lockers. It applies to both the bank's accounts and deposit lockers as well, right? So what changes has been done? This is the table here. First thing is settlement timeline. Some changes has been done as far as the settlement timeline is concerned, right? So claims to be settled within 15 calendar days. This is a must know thing. This is very important. Claims should be settled under how many days? It should be settled under 15 calendar days after receiving all the required documents. Locker articles in safe custody also processed within 15 days. Same for the both, right? 15 days deadline, which means if a bank is failed to settle claim within 15 days, they are entitled to be compensated, right? Next thing is simplified procedure for small deposit. And what is the limit for small deposit here? Let's see. Applicable when no nominee or survivorship clause is there. It is only applicable when there is no nominee for the bank account and no survivorship clause is there, right? Threshold for it is for cooperative banks it is 5 lakh, and for other banks it is 15 lakhs, but bank may set higher limits, it all up to the will of the banks, right? So for now for cooperative banks it is 5 lakhs and for other banks it is 50 lakh, right? This is the most important thing here. Claims above the threshold may need succession certificate, legal heir certificate, right? And the objective of this claim is to speed up small claims and reduce paperwork, right? Next thing which is there, standardized documentation, unified requirements across banks, payment to nominee, right? Payment to nominee or survivor in accounts with nomination or survivorship clause is a valid discharge of a liability, by the banks, right? This point is very important. This is actually the discharge of liability by the banks, right? Next thing is compensation. If they are not able to settle the claim within the given specific time, that is 15 days, they are entitled to be compensated. डिपॉजिट अकाउंट्स के लिए कितनी है? इंटरेस्ट एट बैंक रेट पे उस पे इंटरेस्ट लगेगी प्लस 4% पर एनम ऑन डिलेड अमाउंट, 4% पर एनम के रेट से डिलेड अमाउंट में जो है इसमें बैंक रेट प्लस 4% और इंटरेस्ट रेट लगेगी, दैट विल बी एप्लीकेबल इन द डिपॉजिट अकाउंट, राइट। डिपॉजिट अकाउंट वाला केस में इंटरेस्ट एट बैंक रेट प्लस 4% पर एनम ऑन डिलेड अमाउंट, जो भी अमाउंट है उसका 4% विल बी एप्लीकेबल फॉर द डिपॉजिट अकाउंट होल्डर्स, राइट। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज लॉकर्स और आर्टिकल्स। 5000 पर डे ऑफ डिले, पर डे के हिसाब से 5000 पर डे विल बी द कंपनसेशन amount, right? Banks must communicate reasons for any delays. And what is the significance, what is the objective behind this particular guidelines or direction by the RBI? Faster claim settlement, greater transparency and uniformity, encourages strict adherence to timelines with penalties, right? This was all about the changes as far as the claim settlement of the deceased customers of banks are concerned. So now let's deal with some of the important MCQs related to this particular topic, right? So our first question is, under RBI's 2025 directions, within how many days must bank settle claims for deceased customers account? कितने दिन के अंदर जो है बैंक को अपना जो क्लेम है, ठीक है, क्लेम बाय द कस्टमर शुड बी सेटल्ड, राइट। Options are 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days or 45 days. These are the 5 options and you guys have to tell me what will be the correct answer of this particular question, because अभी हमने ये चीज़ देखा, ठीक है, इन डिटेल में कि कितने दिनों के अंदर जो है क्लेम सेटलमेंट हो जानी चाहिए एज फार एज द सेविंग, ठीक है, अकाउंट और लॉकर इज कंसर्न। कितने दिनों के अंदर हो जानी चाहिए? 7 days, 10 days और what 15 days, ठीक है। यहां हमने अभी चेक की, यहां हमने अभी देखा, राइट, कितने दिनों के अंदर क्लेम सेटलमेंट हो जानी चाहिए? 15 कैलेंडर डेज आफ्टर रिसीविंग ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड same for the lockers as well, lockers or articles in safe custody also processed within 15 days, ठीक है। This was all about the question and the correct answer here will be what? Option number C, 15 days, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। What is the maximum threshold for small deposit? स्मॉल डिपॉजिट्स का हमने अभी देखा। In other banks eligible for simplified claim settlement, अदर बैंक्स की बारे पूछ रहा है, ठीक है, नॉट फॉर कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स। कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स के बारे क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये अदर बैंक्स के बारे है, ठीक है। ऑप्शंस आर 2 लाख, 5 लाख, 10 लाख, 15 लाख और 20 लाख। यू गाइस टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम थ्रेशोल्ड फॉर स्मॉल डिपॉजिट्स इन अदर बैंक्स एलिजिबल फॉर सिंप्लीफाइड क्लेम सेटलमेंट। Is it 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh or 20 lakh? What? It is actually 15 lakh for other banks। और कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स के लिए कितनी थी? कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स के लिए कितनी थी? कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स के लिए कितनी थी? What was the amount? It was actually 5 lakhs, ठीक है, 5 lakhs। Next question, compensation for delayed settlement lockers articles in safe custody is, lockers, compensation for delayed settlement of lockers articles in safe custody is, lockers articles के लिए compensation amount क्या तय किया गया आरबीआई के द्वारा? Options are 1000 per day, 2500 per day, 5000 per day, 10000 per day और बैंक रेट प्लस 4000 per day। What is the correct answer? लॉकर्स और आर्टिकल्स के लिए पूछा है, ठीक है, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, लॉकर्स एंड आर्टिकल। What is the correct answer? The correct answer here will be 5000 per day. Option number C, right? Option number 3, 5000 per day फॉर डिलेड सेटलमेंट ऑफ लॉकर्स एंड आर्टिकल्स, ठीक है। और अकाउंट्स के लिए अकाउंट्स के लिए इट वाज बैंक रेट प्लस 4% ऑफ डिलेड अमाउंट, 4% पर एनम के रेट से इन द डिलेड अमाउंट, ठीक है। सो दिस वाज फॉर द अकाउंट वाला थिंग, ठीक है। एंड फॉर लॉकर्स एंड आर्टिकल्स इट इज 5000 पर डे, क्लियर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर अकाउंट्स विथ नॉमिनेशन और सर्वाइवरशिप क्लाउजेज पेमेंट्स टू द नॉमिनी इज कंसिडर्ड। For accounts with nominations or survivorship clause, payment to the nominee is considered as partial liability discharge, invalid unless approved by RBI, valid discharge of liability, valid only for deposit under 5 lakh, valid after legal heir certificate, ठीक है। These are the 5 options. So for accounts with nomination or survivorship clauses, payment to the nominee is considered as valid discharge of liability. This we already saw in the table, valid discharge of the liability for the banks, right? Option number C. Last but not the least, which of the following is not a key feature of RBI's 2025 direction? Which of them is not a key feature of RBI 2025 claim settlement direction? Option A, settlement within 15 days, simplified procedure for small deposit, settlement within 50 days we already saw, so which means this was there in the रिवाइज डायरेक्शन, ठीक है। तो इसे हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं। सेकेंड वाज सिंप्लीफाइड प्रोसीजर फॉर स्मॉल डिपॉजिट, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दिस वाज आल्सो देयर इन द क्लाउज, सो विल एलिमिनेट दिस ऑप्शन एज वेल। मैंडेटरी नॉमिनेशन फॉर ऑल अकाउंट्स, मैंडेटरी नॉमिनेशन फॉर ऑल अकाउंट। लेट्स सी, कंपनसेशन फॉर डिले, देयर वाज अ कंपनसेशन क्लाउज आल्सो फॉर डिले। स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रिक्वायरमेंट, standardized documentation requirement was also there, so the correct answer here will be what? Option number C, mandatory nomination for all accounts. This clause was not present in the feature of RBI's 2025 direction of claim settlement of deceased customers, ठीक है। तो बाकी का all of the 4 settlement within 15 days were there, simplification procedure for small deposit was there, compensation for delay we saw what compensation RBI entitled to the banks to pay to their nominees or survivorship. Standardized documentation requirement was also there, right? So correct answer here will be mandatory nomination for all accounts, option number C, right? So that's it for the session. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well, right, for daily updates. And this is our RBI Grade B Panchsutra program, right? So we have very few days left as far as your RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination is concerned. So kindly enroll in this program. As you can see, we have what we are providing, everything is there. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 5, block 4, block 5, right, everything is there. So this was all about our PPP, that is phase 1 Panchsutra program, and it is completely dedicated to your phase 1 examination of grade B, right. So that's it for the session. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Please do subscribe our channel. Please share this video to the RBI candidates as well, and thank you so much.